The following video will show you how to prepare and deploy the POD sampler for passive air sampling. POD can be used for personal monitoring, ambient environmental and indoor air monitoring. You will need a diffusive body, a support body and cover, and an adsorbent cartridge. For personal monitoring, a support plate with clip is required. You will also need a carrier tube and analytical caps for analysis. Here we are using DiffLock caps, a glass tube and 2 torsion springs to secure the pod. To sample, transfer a conditioned adsorbent cartridge into the diffusive body. Push the diffusive body into the support body until secure. Push the cover onto the support body to seal the sampler until ready to initiate sampling. For personal monitoring, a support plate is used to secure the POD sampler to the subject. To utilize, guide the groove on the support body into the support plate. Secure and attach the clip to an appropriate place in the breathing zone of the subject. For ambient environmental air monitoring, the sampler is placed in a suitable shelter in the area of interest to protect it from weather. If you are undertaking indoor air monitoring, a shelter is not required, but may be useful. For all applications to begin sampling, remove the cover and record time and temperature. Once the sampling period is complete, reattach the cover. Record time and temperature and remove from the support plate or shelter. For analysis, remove the cover and transfer the cartridge from the diffusive body to the carrier tube. When working with glass tubes, secure with torsion springs. For stainless or inert coated tubes, a gauze retaining spring would be used instead. To analyze on an automated Marks thermal desorption instrument, add DiffLock caps. After analysis, the cartridge can be stored in the tube, fitted with long-term storage caps, or returned to the shipping vial ready for reuse. For more information, please visit marks.com.